Hello and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your go-to destination for all your instrument cluster repairs, servicing and parts needs. In our repair service description video today, we're focusing on the Yamaha 2014 to 2020 MT-07, FZ-07 and TRACER 700 instrument cluster. Here you can see an example of a faulty display with these common issues. If your display is suffering from issues like background illumination failure, flickering, missing segments, lines across the display, or complete failure of the display, we've got you covered. Now, as you can see, the instrument cluster is fully repaired, and the results are crystal clear, giving you a brand new looking display. At Cluster Repairs UK, we offer a full display repair backed with a lifetime warranty. If you need any more advice or have questions, feel free to ask us by hitting the Ask Seller a Question button below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.